What do you really believe? Our self talk is frequently rooted in our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. The problem is, in today's crazy world, there's more negativity coming at you than positivity. Everyone can't wait to tell you all the ways something will go wrong, especially in regards to the things you dream of accomplishing. Sadly, it's all too easy to take these dire warnings and make them your own. When this happens, our self talk becomes more and more negative until we can't see success at all. How to change this? Start by seeing the possibility of success. Sure, it's hard to try something new, but consider everyone who actually succeeded under similar circumstances. Look at what you're already accomplished. The idea of you succeeding is not as far fetched as you've been led to believe. By taking to heart the possibility of success, your self talk changes. You start seeing the positive. Goals become attainable. Life becomes better than the old you could have ever believed possible.